In this video, I show you the exact benefits of testing your email campaign before sending it to your email list. In fact, all email marketing autoresponders or softwares have a specific option for testing an email campaign before sending it. This tool helps you improve your metrics and deliverability, allowing you to make more sales. First of all, if you want to start a profitable email marketing business, or if you want to improve your email business from point of view of increasing sales, improving conversion, or fixing poor deliverability, make sure to download this free book in the description below. So let's discuss the real benefits of testing an email marketing campaign before sending it. Benefit number 1. Ensuring deliverability. Testing an email before sending it will help you see where your email lands, either in the promo box, spam box, or primary inbox, which is your main purpose. It is very important because it helps to avoid spam and promotion boxes. If your email lands in the junk or promo box, no one will receive it, and as a result, your open rates or click-through rates will diminish and affect your email marketing negatively. Moreover, testing helps with checking the links and images. Therefore, make sure every email lands in the primary box. Benefit number 2. A/B testing. Testing an email before sending it will help with A/B testing. What's A/B testing? A/B testing, also known as split testing, is the practice of sending two different variants of an email to a small portion of your email list to see which variation works best for a desired action. Ultimately, doing A/B testing allows you to determine the campaign that will produce the best results. In A/B testing, you can test two subject lines and two email contents to see which one performs the best. The main purpose of A/B testing is to see which variation gets the highest open rate and click-through rates. This allows businesses to make data-driven decisions about their marketing campaigns and improve their overall performance. Additionally, A/B testing can also help identify areas for improvement in website design and user experience. Benefit number 3. Testing with different email addresses. The testing option in autoresponders allows you to test your email with more than one email address. In fact, I test my email with 2 or 3 email addresses. And this method helps me to check if the emails are landing in the primary box or not. If the email doesn't land in the primary inbox, therefore I make changes to the subject line first and then test it again. If the email lands in the inbox, that's okay. If not, I will make some changes to the email copy and test it again. If you follow these simple strategies, your emails will land in your inbox all the time. Make sure to follow this proven method with your email marketing business. As I told you in the beginning, make sure to download the free book in the description below. And this book will help you with all of these stuff. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching.